Hey guys, welcome to Unacademy. In this class, we shall have a look at the calendar that has been released by Staff Selection Commission for the year 2021-22. In this video, I'll be telling you the exams that you can apply for, the date of advertisement, the date of examinations. All this will be covered in this video. About me, my name is Manoj Kumar. I'm a civil engineering graduate. I've cleared SSC, CPO, ESIC, UDC, and LIC ADO. Okay, going forward. What is this new feature? The new feature is Ask a Doubt feature. So this feature is available on an Academy app wherein you can upload up to 3 doubts at one go. You can post 2 additional doubts while waiting for your solution. You get solutions in your preferred language. So select the language you want your question to be answered in, and simply crop and click crop and submit your question. Going forward about SSC exam subscription. So here you go about SSC exam subscription. So for 24 months it is 7,800, 12 months it is 6,400, 6 months it is 5,400. So this 7,800 you will get a 10% off if you use my referral code. My referral code is MJ10. So you can use this referral code and you will get a 10% off. Going forward about the new batch that is happening from 22nd of December. So this is the Safalta batch. So this will be in Hindi. Classes will be taught in Hindi and notes will be provided in English. And total 400 plus hours of classes will be provided. And the batch is for 9 months. The validity of the batch is 9 months. Going forward, what is this iconic feature? In this iconic feature, you get priority in doubt solving. You also get live doubt solving by academic doubts will be solved by doubt solvers or subject matter experts, and the medium of delivery will be an Academy app via Ask a Doubt feature, and the learner will have access to clear a doubt feature on the app to get their academic doubts resolved. And also, there will be priority in live classes, that is, iconic learners, they will be given priority for solving queries during live classes on raise a hand feature. What is this raise a hand feature? In the middle of a class, you will get option to raise your hand and ask a doubt. You can talk to your favorite educator in the middle of a class. That is this raise a hand feature, and live class via raise a hand feature. Going forward, now how do you use this ask a doubt feature by Unacademy? You go to the doubts and solution features on your home screen. Then you click on ask a doubt and upload an image. Crop the image and highlight the question. Choose the subject that the question falls under so that the respective educator will provide the answer. Going forward, now there are a lot of test series that are happening at Unacademy. A lot of them are for free. So you can take a screenshot of this and attend whenever you want to. And next up we have raise a hand feature. What is this raise a hand feature? This feature is available for plus subscribers only. So I've already told you about raise a hand feature. In the middle of a class, if you have any doubt, you will get option to raise a hand. So you can raise a hand and talk to your favorite educator in the middle of a live class. Okay, going forward. Next, there is a scholarship test. The scholarship test is scheduled this Sunday at 12 p.m. This Sunday, it happens every Sunday at 12 p.m. Name of the scholarship test is SSC Combat, and this is available in Unacademy Play Store app and the web version. This is going to be a live scholarship test. You get to win from a scholarship pool of worth rupees 1 crore and practice the best questions, and you get to win up to 100% scholarship. Rank 1 to 3 will get 100% scholarship, and this test is absolutely for free. All you need to do is download the Unacademy app, use my code. My code is MJ10. You can use this to unlock the test and you can start taking the test. Going forward about SSC, okay, next about report and win feature. So this is a new feature wherein if any of my content you feel is inappropriate, you can report that using the form that is in the description box below. Now all set, let's crack it. Let's start. So the first exam that SSC has released is SSC CGL, that is Combined Graduate Level 2021 exam Tier 1. Tier 1 is the computer based exam. CBE is computer based examination, and the date of advertisement is tomorrow, that is 23/12/2021. So you can start applying for SSC CGL 2021 from tomorrow, and the closing date will be January 23rd. January until January 23rd you can apply, and the exam is in April 22. So you hardly have 4 months. Hardly have 4 months. And next after that is SSC CHSL. So anybody who has passed 12th standard or second PU, they can take this exam up. Combined higher secondary level. The tier 1 examination, the date of advertisement will be 1st of February next year, that is 2022, hardly 1 month from now, and the closing date will be 7th of March 2022, and the date of exam will be May 2022. And next, SSC MTS, anybody who has passed 10th standard can take this exam up, SSC MTS. So tier 1, that's the computer based test, and the date of advertisement will be 22nd of March of the year 2022. So everything's in 2022, and the last date to apply is 30th of April 2022, and the exam will be on June 22. And I mean June 2022. And next up we have selection post examination phase 10. This is 2022. This is also computer based examination. So the date of advertisement will be 10th of May, and it will go on till 9th of June. Exam is on July 22nd. And recruitment of head constable in Delhi police examination. This is also a computer based examination. So applications will start. You can start applying from 17th of May, and the last date is 16th of June, and the exam is in September 2022. Okay, going forward. Okay, let me erase this. Yeah. Recruitment of constable or driver in Delhi police. This is also computer based examination, and the date of advertisement is 27/06/2022, and you can apply it till 26/07/2022, and the exam will be in October 2022. Again, recruitment of head constable. This is not in ministerial in any ministry, and this is also Delhi police examination. So this is a computer based examination. So you can start applying from 4/04/07/2022. You can go on applying till 3rd of August 2022, and exam will be November 2022. Next, SSC CPO. SSC CPO examination. Central Police Organization, that is Sub Inspector in Delhi Police and Central Armed Police Forces. The paper 1, the date of advertisement will be 14th August, that is one day before Independence Day. The date of advertisement, and you can apply until 13/09/2022, and the exam will be in December 2022. And the junior Hindi translator, junior translator, and senior Hindi translator examination, and scientific assistant in IMD. Okay, 2022. So you can start applying from 29/08/2022, and you can go on applying till 28/09/2022. And going forward, recruitment of MTS in Delhi Police, that is multitasking staff in Delhi Police. So you can start. Date of advertisement will be 11/10/2022 and 15/11/2022 until 15/11/2022. Next, junior engineer technical SSC technical examinations for civil, mechanical, electrical, and quantity surveying and contract engineers. So this paper 1 computer based examination, the date of application, date of advertisement will be 28/11/2022, and you can go on applying till 27/12/2022, and the exam will be in March 2023. And there is stenographer grade C and D. Date is from 5th of December 2022 to 31st December 2022. Exam will be in April 2023. Again, there is a recruitment of constable male and female in Delhi Police examination. So date of advertisement will be 2023 Jan 9th 2023, and you can go on applying till 12/02/2023, and exam is in May 2023. And constable, that is GD. Recently this recruitment happened. So nearly 50,000 were recruited. So GD in Central Armed Police Forces, NIA, SSF, and Rifleman in Assam Rifles. The date of advertisement will be 22/02/2023, and it will go on until 31/03/2023, and the exam will be in June 2023. Now, which are the exams that we need to focus on? Okay, first thing, the syllabus is the same for most of the exams. The syllabus is the same. You will have to study 4 subjects. One is aptitude, reasoning, then general studies. After that, English comprehension. Only 4 subjects, but the degree of difficulty will be different. So you basically need to focus 4 exams. One is SSC CGL, then SSC CHSL, then SSC MTS. So you focus on these 3 examinations. All these examinations will be over by June or July according to the calendar. So you start your preparations now. SSC CGL is the flagship examination. I have done a detailed video about the various posts that are available. You can watch that in this channel. And let me recap the syllabus once more. For general intelligence and reasoning, you have analogies, similarities and differences, spatial visualization, spatial orientation, visual memory, discrimination, observation, relationship concepts, arithmetical reasoning and figural classification, arithmetic number series, non-verbal series, coding and decoding. Okay, this is the syllabus for general intelligence. Going forward, for general knowledge, you study sports, history, culture, geography, economics, polity, Indian constitution, and current affairs. For general studies, this is the same. You study this for any state public service commission examination as well. It's the same. Okay. Going forward to the next one, you have in elementary mathematics, you have number system, computation of whole numbers, decimals and fractions, and relationship between numbers. You have fundamental arithmetic operations, percentages, ratio and proportion, averages, interest, profit and loss, discount, mensuration, time and distance ratio, and time and work. Going forward to English comprehension syllabus. In English comprehension, you will have spot there, fill in the blank, synonyms and homonyms, antonyms, spellings, and detecting misspelled words, idioms and phrases, one word substitution, improvement of sentences, active, passive, voice of verbs, conversion into direct or indirect narration, shuffling of sentence parts, shuffling of sentences in a passage, closed passage, comprehension passage. All this will be in your English comprehension syllabus. Next, what are the advantages of plus class? If you take plus classes, you get live classes, you get weekly tests, you get structured courses, you get unlimited access, you get personal guidance, that is one-to-one guidance from top exam experts. You also get a study planner, that's a customized study plan with bi-weekly review. You get study material, that is specialized notes and practice sets. You also get experts guidelines and also test analysis. I hope this video was very beneficial for you. So if you like this video, please do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll catch up in another video. Until then, bye bye, tata, take care, see you.